how to create a Facebook business page. Now, Facebook business page is extremely important for businesses nowadays. Most of the audiences are in Facebook and Instagram, and having a Facebook business page means there's more visibility for your business. And in fact, I know many businesses that actually doesn't have a website, but they have a Facebook business page, and that is enough to get them up and running and to make some money. So in this video, I'm going to go into detail to show you how you can just easily create a Facebook business page in under 10 minutes. And let's go. Now, first of all, you need to go to your Facebook account, go to the left menu button, see the word menu here, the 9 dots. It could be here at the top right, or it could be at the left. So it depends on which layout that you have. For this profile, I have the layout at the left side, which is the menu. Just click on the menu, and then you can see the create word here, and you can see the word page. Just click on the page, and there you can create a page. So I'll put a page name here first. So now you have your business name. So this will be the business name for my agency, and then you add 3 categories. Right, so you have 3 categories which is related to your business. Next is to have a brief description or bio. Alright, so this is how you add your bio. There's a limit of the character, so just use your word clearly. So you can see that you will appear here. It looks like a normal profile. You can even go toggle it between mobile and desktop. So after you have done your bio, now you go and create page. Now you can put all your information here to put in your contact, your phone number, etc. Let me just fill up all the information. So you just fill out accordingly, and you'll notice that location, it could be anywhere. If, for example, you're doing digital agency, you do not need to have a location. But if you do have, just fill it up. Hours, up to you. You can just put it always open. And then click next. And then obviously you need to have your image. This is your profile picture and also your cover photo at the back. So let me just add it up. So I just put the profile picture. So usually I'll just put the logo, and you can see that it's better to have the square image because you'll copy it into a circle at the end. So once you're done with your profile picture, now let's add the cover photo, which is at the back. Just click here, add cover photo. Click on the photo that you want to add. So this can be easily done in Canva, and if you do not have Canva yet, you can get using the link below. So Canva is a very good design software which is free to use and it's super easy to use. So just go ahead and try it. And the custom size for this I do is 820 to 360, so that it fit the whole width for both mobile and also desktop. So let's put it in, and then you can see it is here. Let's just adjust it a little bit. Alright, and then you can see in the mobile, okay, you might need to adjust the font a little bit, and then you just add an action button. So action button is important so that people can contact you when they come in. So for me, if you have a booking software like Calendly, you can put it there, or sign up if you have a form. If not, you can just have send message. I think send message will do. I don't know how people to WhatsApp me so often, so let's just send message. Or if you have like open the website with video, etc., you can just do it. For me, it's fine. So I'll just click send message to me, click next, save. Alright, then you click next. So now you can invite your friends to like this page. Let me just invite some of my friends. So once you have selected a few people, or you want to select all, you can just select all here. Then you just click send invitation. Then you can have people liking your page the moment it's done. Next, you click next. You can skip this as well if you want to. Decide whether you want to turn off notification or not. Of course I want to know if there's anything happening in this page. But if you want to disable your notification, you can do that as well. I have another video to show you how you can disable your Facebook page notification. It could be very overbearing when there's a lot of notification going on, especially if you're like me, handling a lot of pages. That could be rather scary. And then you click done. There, now you get to see the page. So you can see this is using a new page experience. So how do I know that? You'll see your icon here, not your main profile, change to a page profile. So this means it's a new page experience. If it is not a new page experience, usually it will be your own profile picture here, and then it'll be just a normal page. So this page is created with a new page experience. It is something that Facebook is rolling out. So that's the reason why you see it here right now. And there, that's how you can do. You can edit your bio, you can edit details, you can put more information here as well. So for example, you can put social media agency, you can add your address, basic info, you can add everything else you want, and social links, whether you're showing to public or not. So this is edit details, and there you can see all the details that you want. You can all edit here. Add hobbies, basically it's like a personal profile, and you can add featured. So you can add more photos if you want to. Now what I want to do now is to create a username. I do not want the ID to be all the numbers. So how do you change your username in the new page experience? So for example, now you're at your Facebook page. So you have to go to top right, go to settings and privacy, and then you can go settings, and you can see it is here, FindX Digital, and then you can change your username here. Let's just change the username. So let's change. It's taken. So I'll test a few names, but the name was not there, so I can just put this in. Don't worry, you can change this later. You cannot change often though. There's a limit of days that you can change. So you change one time, you need to wait a few days before you can change. And then you click Save Changes. And you need to enter your password, of course. And it is changed. So now you can see when you click on this page, that is already changed. It is no more the weird number. Alright, now to create posts, all you have to do is just create your post here. Okay, you can create and schedule it in Business Suite as well. And that's it. If you want to add more people to manage your business page, I have another video to show you how you can add them into your Facebook business page. Alright, now you have changed your username. So you can see it's in your link right now. Then you scroll the way down. This is your page. If you want to change your menu here, all you have to do is just click on more, go on manage section, and just manage accordingly. So as of now, I can't find ways to edit this or change this yet. If there is, I'll put in a new video. So this new page experience is a little bit different from the previous method, but just keep updated on this. Okay, another thing I want to introduce to you before we end this is to go into the insights. So one thing about having a Facebook page is you get to see the performances of all your posts or your page performances. So you can see all here. You just have to click on the manage here, and then you can see it open up here, page overview. Just click on see more insights, and there you can see all the page overview here, and you can see details. You can go into detail each and every one once you have more information on your post, etc. So for now I have nothing much, so that's why you don't see any information here. So yeah, that is how you can create a new Facebook page. And this one will be in new page experience. It is still a bit buggy, still got a little bit of problem, but this is one thing good that you can just get it started first. And then as time goes by, things will get better from Facebook, hopefully. Okay, if you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.